Good morning, everybody. We have a cow that we got to go catch. Man's, from what he tells me, he's been trying to catch her for about 6 weeks. It's about 4:45 here. We're fixing to get some of these pancakes and bacon. Go saddle up our horses and try to go find her.
Mama, you forgot the syrup.
Here it comes.
Woo, 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 woo. Gotcha.
All right, y'all, it's a little while later. Coming out here to check on things in our little mini garden. The rocks that we have in the middle are just holding down the black, the name left me. This stuff right here, fabric, like, what is that even called? Y'all, I know what that's called. Anyway, the rocks are holding that down where the different pieces meet, but I think it looks really pretty with the rocks in there. Titus said he would get in there and, you know, tack it down through there, but I kind of like the look of the rocks. It's little river rocks. The zucchini, to me, is doing the best of everything that's planted in the ground. Well, the zucchini and the green beans.
Hey, what happened to the other one?
We had to pull that one up. We went ahead and pulled up, y'all know, that other squash plant. So right now we just have one squash plant in the ground, and then, well, the yellow squash, and then that one in the grow bag, which is still doing amazing in that grow bag. Mr. Cucumber right there is still doing good. I'm most excited about the cucumbers, y'all. Well, and the peppers. See those green beans? Like, they seriously, I wish that I could set a camera up out that had night vision so that we could see how quickly those green beans grow overnight. It amazes me every morning. They're so much bigger. And the pumpkins. I mean, look at the pumpkins. They're doing good. Titus said he did plant another pumpkin over here. A couple of seeds, I guess, but nothing's happening with that one. So I don't think that's a pumpkin. It doesn't look like how these other two look. So that's probably just some grass making its way through. Let's see, what do we got right here? Maybe he accidentally planted something else here, because that doesn't really look like grass, that one and that one. That does. We'll just leave that alone. It might be something coming up there. I brought my flowers over here to get some sunlight. They do not get enough sun on the porch. And this one, I almost lost it because it wasn't getting enough sunlight, but it's starting to get new fresh flowers again. So we bring it out here in the mornings, and then we'll take it back to the porch around 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Jonah and Cece, we're gonna get the slip and slide out, but it's unusually cool today. Well, this morning anyway. Maybe it'll warm up by this afternoon. Time to go get the eggs now. It's our little morning walk. We check on the garden, we go get the eggs. Sometimes we forget about the eggs and get them later in the evenings when we let the chickens out. Since it stays daylight longer, we don't let them out until a little while later in the day. Because if we let them out too early, since it stays daylight, you know, almost until 9 o'clock, they start wandering away too far because, you know, they're just out for so long, so many hours, they get, you know, adventurous. You found a what? Oh my goodness, y'all. She lost this the other day, and it just washed up from the pond.
The puppy!
Manny got the turkey egg.
It lost its mommy.
It lost its mommy, that little frog.
Yeah,
Look how little it is. Here's my finger.
Oh! Whoa. I did it! Another one!
Oh, I bet that was his sister.
Yeah, I saw a flying frog. There's a dragonfly!
Yeah, I was fixing to say a flying frog. What? We have a bass sighting. He's coming to say hey this morning. We should give him a name. Let's name it Ernest T.
No, that ain't a good name.
Ernest T. Bass?
Yes, sir. Well, we'll run over here and cross the road, see if we see him. If not, we'll... Okay. Sounds good.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir. Pretty good. How you doing, buddy? He said you might could point us in the direction that you saw her last.
Last time this morning, she was right here behind my barn.
Yes, sir.
And And actually what it does, it drops down, there's a little bit of a wet area right there.
Yes,
but
sir.
I can show you where she's been crossing and coming from one side to the other, and I'm pretty sure she's right there on that tree.
Should we go this way?
You go this way, or you can come up here to my house and barn's just right there.
Okay, sounds good. So we're gonna shoot down in there and try to find her right there.
Right.
And I'll holler at, what's his name over there? Brandon. Yikes. I don't know. I don't know. Can we go back up yonder, brother, and drop back down somehow? All right. We might try that.
Follow it around this corner of my pasture right there.
Okay.
Anywhere right there you need to go.
Okay. All right. Thank you. We can go in right here, it looks like. Come on. It's gonna be a challenge right here. I can tell she's been coming across right here. Find a spot to get through right here. That's gonna be a tough deal. What a fence. Easy, partner. Easy, easy. Oh. Hold on, my horse is in a bind there. No, this is a bad, soggy situation. Oh, Clyde, you all right? Easy. It's too wet to cross right here. Oh, I'm gonna help you out, buddy. Just stand right there. My horse is stuck here pretty bad, y'all. Oh, partner, I'm gonna help you out. This rope on him. Oh, I got you. He's marred up to his hocks here. I can't even hardly get in here without sinking up myself. I'm gonna throw you my rope and you lead him. Just lead him on. Man, that sucks. Let's go, Clyde. So you're gonna go through the fence. Who fixes your hair in the morning?
That piggy went to the farm.
Okay, where'd the next piggy go?
I went to the farmer's market.
Okay, what about the next one?
I went to the farmer's market too.
Oh. All right, y'all, supper tonight, chicken clubs and french fries. I'm trying to decide which seasoning I want to put on the chicken here. I think we'll go with this garlic pepper. Tyler's already left. He's going to a rodeo. Jake and one of his friends are going to be going to do something. They were going to go to the rodeo, but I think they've changed their mind to something else now. I'm just going to season the top. This smells really good, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and make one of these for Jake, though, because I'm not sure if he's going to want to eat before he leaves. I'm going to cook the french fries inside, and then when the chicken and bacon get done, we'll toast the buns out here. Go ahead and do the first flip on our chicken here. They're done. We're making ice cream sandwiches. While the cookies are cooling down, we're gonna take the vanilla ice cream out of the freezer.
Are we?
We are.
Yay, that helps me get happy.
We're gonna put Breyer's French vanilla. Oh, we have some French vanilla and some homemade vanilla.
I'll take homemade vanilla. This is gonna be
And
something I really like.
we're gonna roll the cookies then with the edges and sprinkles. So sprinkles will be around the outside. I know that you don't want yours with sprinkles.
I want mine with sprinkles.
You want sprinkles?
Yes.
We're gonna pour them into this bowl. You know what? For the 4th of July, you could get red, white, and blue sprinkles and make these. That would be fun.
Yeah, that will be fun. Sprinkle. Num num. This makes me happier. And I made a stack of robots. Woo! You're going to do that later.
We are.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so the cookies are almost cool. I'm just stirring this ice cream around here, trying to soften it up. We want it to be spreadable so that we can spread it. What? I just broke this spoon. That was my favorite little spoon thing. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can get that other piece out, because that's just, it's one of those little spatulas that, you know, you can take off the wooden handle. Anyway, as I was saying, you want the ice cream to be spreadable. Let me find something a little more sturdy for this. But you don't want it melted because, you know, you want it to stay on the cookie. So we take a cookie, spread the ice cream on, and put another cookie on the top, just like that, and roll it in the sprinkles. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. So here's what we're gonna do. We put it on this plate, put it right into the freezer, and as we make them, I'll just, you know, add them to this plate in the freezer. That way they don't start melting on us.
There's more cookies.